So I cut it down, Joe, I cut it down to very simple, easy steps for people, right?
Oh, okay. Well, we're gonna give them both. We'll have fun.
Okay, I'll share my simple steps first, okay? And the simple step that I used was use ChatGPT for the idea and research to come up with the content. And then I use ChatGPT, right? Create the script and caption. Number three, I use this program called HeyGen and produce the videos. And then
Mhm.
I refine the videos using CapCut, but that's optional. You don't have to. Okay, so that's what I did for this section here. So, oh, someone's using annotation. Maybe Joe, you could take care of that.
Oop,
Okay, so
hold
then
on.
we have this prompt here. This prompt's going to be in the Facebook group. Okay, and basically you just copy and paste this prompt and you put in your city. And what it'll do is it'll create a Notion. Is anybody here don't know what Notion is? Okay, Notion is a place where it stores your workflows. Okay, so if you tell ChatGPT to make a content calendar kind of thing here, you see that, and it'll create it in Notion for you. 5 questions to ask before you downsize. You don't have to wait for retirement to cash out. Selling and buying smaller to invest, right? All this stuff here will go into Notion, topics, scripts, captions, audience, right? Also, there's objective over here, and if it's done or not done. So I give this to my VA. She she's done the first two already. You see done here. So what I do is I open Notions and I see where we're at. Okay, so she's done 2 videos now. So every day I tell her do 2 videos, right? So far I haven't had a hand in this yet. All I did was submit the captions and the prompt into ChatGPT, made the Notion, and she's taking care of it now. So how does she take care of it? Well, she goes into HeyGen, and what I did for HeyGen is I went out and I took one day. I went out and I went everywhere. I went to Costco, I went to the hotel, and I just sat in different places recording myself. People thought I was crazy, okay? And I said the same script over and over again because HeyGen will give you a script to read out. A 1 minute script to read out. After the 1 minute script is done, it creates an avatar and it allows you 300 of these avatars. Okay, so here's one here.
4, what's my budget? Factor in the sale price of your current home, the cost of your next home, and moving expenses. 5, what will I do with my stuff? Downsizing often means decluttering. Decide now what to keep, sell, or donate. Answer these questions honestly, and you'll make a move that truly fits your next chapter.
Okay, so you can put the text into HeyGen
90%.
and then the audio would come out. Okay, so there's one, and that's
That
this
now and use it to change your life
the
today.
second one here.
I've helped clients in their 40s and 50s
That's all.
sell, buy smaller, and invest the difference. They've used it to start businesses, travel,